Hello, classic car lovers. Welcome to AZ Classic Cars Cheap. Here, we'll be discussing classic Prostreet cars, from their brutal looks, ferocious engines, to their spine-chilling build details. If you love muscle cars, drag racing, and classics with extreme modifications, subscribe now and go with us. One, 1963 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $50,000. Location, Huntsville, Alabama. This 1963 Chevrolet Nova is a bold example of classic American muscle transformed into a true street-driven Prostreet machine. Built with performance as the main focus while retaining its vintage coupe identity, this Nova combines aggressive power with real-world drivability. Finished in a striking red exterior, the body and paint are fully detailed inside and out. This gives the car a clean, purposeful appearance that stands out both on the street and at events. Power comes from a heavily built 412 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring an Eagle 4340 steel crankshaft, HBM connecting rods, Wisico blower pistons, Dart aluminum cylinder heads, a Jezel rocker system, and a Bullet custom ground blower camshaft. Induction is handled by a massive 6 to 71 big-body BDS supercharger, topped with twin 750 brawler carburetors. Ignition duties are managed by a full MSD system with crank trigger. A 200-shot fogger system provides additional performance when needed. The drivetrain is completed with a turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with a Pro brake, delivering strong and reliable power transfer. Despite its extreme build, this Nova is described as a true drive-anywhere car capable of highway cruising on pump gas. All exterior lighting functions properly. The glass is clean and intact, and the windows roll up and down smoothly. The car retains an all-steel body except for the bumpers and trunk deck lid, preserving its classic integrity with proven reliability, street legality, and unmistakable muscle car presence. This 1963 Chevrolet Nova offers raw power, serious craftsmanship, and timeless American performance appeal. 2. 1996 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Prostreet. Price, $45,000. Location, Fairborn, Ohio. This 1996 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a professionally built Prostreet machine designed for serious race, strip, and street performance. Retaining its recognizable Monte Carlo body lines while hiding a fully engineered race chassis underneath. This car represents a no-compromise build using top-tier components throughout. The vehicle remains street-legal, titled, and capable of both competition and cruising duties. At the heart of this Monte Carlo sits a massive 632 cubic inch engine professionally built by Nias Racing Engines in Indiana. This power plant is estimated to produce approximately 1,400 horsepower. It features a Dart Big M block, 9 aluminum cylinder heads, and premium internals from Eagle, Crane, Isky, Manley, Jenny, PBM, and Edelbrock. Fuel delivery is handled by a quick fuel carburetor, ensuring consistent and aggressive throttle response. The drivetrain includes a pro-built TH400 transmission with a reverse manual valve body and integrated trans brake, delivering precise control under extreme loads. A full professional race chassis with swing-out door bars was constructed by Chassis Engineering in Florida. It is paired with QA1 adjustable suspension and a 4-link rear setup. Moser axles, strange disc brakes with line lock, wheelie bars, a parachute system, rear fuel cell, and battery disconnect complete the package. Despite its race-ready configuration, the car is described as extremely reliable and smooth. It tracks straight and runs flawlessly. With an estimated replacement cost exceeding $80,000, this Monte Carlo offers exceptional value and elite Prostreet capability. 3. 1989 Ford Mustang GT drag car. Price, $18,000. Location, Schererville, Indiana. This 1989 Ford Mustang GT is a purpose-built drag car constructed to meet X275 class standards while remaining adaptable to various small-tire racing formats. Built by Travis Ball in Arkansas, this lightweight Mustang focuses on precision engineering, strength, and competitive performance rather than cosmetic excess. The vehicle carries a clean California title, is offered primarily for cash consideration. The car features an all-chromoly chassis designed for maximum rigidity and safety at high speeds. A Fab 9-inch rear end with 40-spline gun-drilled axles is installed. This provides exceptional durability under extreme horsepower conditions. Suspension and braking components include Mincer front shocks, TBM front brakes, Strange rear brakes, and a Team ZK member for improved weight distribution and front-end control. Weight reduction is a key element of this build. The vehicle weighs approximately 1,400 pounds in its current configuration and incorporates extensive carbon fiber components, including the hood, hatch, front bumper, and tubs. Optic armor windows are used throughout, with a thick tinted rear window and reinforced front glass. Factory interior panels are retained where possible. This preserves structure while minimizing mass. Additional features include Kaiser double beadlock rear wheels, Billet Specialties front wheels, a Maven mount for a Pro Mod turbo system, reinforced torque boxes, and an included anti-roll bar. This Mustang offers a solid foundation for competitive drag racing with professional craftsmanship and proven race-focused design. 4. 1957 Chevrolet two-door coupe. Price, $59,000. Location, Deerfield, Ohio. This 1957 Chevrolet two-door coupe is a classic American icon enhanced with serious performance upgrades while retaining its unmistakable vintage presence. Built as a high-powered street and strip machine, this car blends timeless styling with modern muscle, making it an attention-grabbing example of a legendary Chevrolet platform. Finished with a bold exterior and low recorded mileage since completion, it presents as a strong and well-maintained build. Under the hood sits a blown big block Chevrolet engine, delivering the raw power expected from a top-tier hot rod. The supercharged setup provides aggressive acceleration and unmistakable sound. It transforms this iconic body style into a formidable performer. Power is routed through an automatic transmission, offering both strength and ease of operation for street or event use. The chassis and drivetrain are configured to handle the engine's output, making this car suitable for spirited driving while maintaining stability and control. With only 500 miles driven since its build, the vehicle remains fresh and mechanically tight. The interior maintains a clean and purposeful layout, complementing the car's muscle-focused personality. This 1957 Chevrolet is not a trailer-only showpiece. It is a real performance car built to be driven and enjoyed. 5. 1988 Chevrolet Beretta drag car roller. Price, $15,000. Location, Oglesby, Illinois. This 1988 Chevrolet Beretta drag car is a purpose-built roller designed for serious straight-line performance. Built with racing as its primary mission, this Beretta features a professional Austin round-tube chassis constructed from mild steel and fully MIG-welded for strength and consistency. The chassis is NHRA certified to 8.50. This makes it suitable for competitive drag racing environments while still offering flexibility for custom drivetrain installation. The body is entirely fiberglass, including the hood, doors, deck lid, and rear wing. This significantly reduces overall weight and improves performance potential. Set up for big block Chevrolet power and a power-glide transmission, this roller provides an excellent foundation for a high horsepower build. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch equipped with 4.56 gearing and a ladder bar suspension, offering proven durability and traction under hard launches. Up front, the car features a Mustang 2-style front suspension. This provides improved weight transfer and control. With a previous race weight of approximately 2,100 pounds when equipped with a steel-headed big block, this Beretta offers strong potential for competitive elapsed times. The car is sold as a roller, requiring only engine and transmission installation to complete. Built for racers who value function over flash, this Beretta represents an excellent opportunity to own a serious, track-focused platform without starting from scratch. 6. 1976 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $15,000. Located, Flint, Michigan. The 1976 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is a heavily modified project car, blending classic Mustang II styling with aggressive performance upgrades. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this Mustang presents a refreshed exterior, having been repainted last year with rust properly removed and replaced with new metal. At its heart is a 351 Windsor engine swap-topped with a Wind 174 supercharger, transforming the car into a high-potential street instrument machine. Supporting upgrades include a Holley 850 CFM double-pumper carburetor, solid lifters, high-rise intake, MSD ignition, Hedman headers, electric fuel and water pumps, and a 7-quart oil pan. Despite extensive upgrades, this Mustang is clearly stated as a project, with a slipping blower belt, a leaking transmission, and unfinished gauge wiring. The sale includes numerous extra parts, making it ideal for a hands-on enthusiast seeking serious potential. 7. 1976 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $20,000. Located, Selmer, Tennessee. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega offered here is a race-focused roller, built for performance enthusiasts seeking a compact and aggressive platform with room for customization. This Vega is being sold without an engine, transmission, converter, or fuel pump, making it an ideal foundation for buyers who already have a preferred drivetrain combination or want to build to specific racing requirements. Designed with competition in mind, the car previously utilized a belt-driven fuel pump setup, indicating its serious performance intent. Its compact dimensions make it well-suited for small tire or lightweight race classes, while the overall configuration allows flexibility for different engine and transmission choices. Trades are welcomed, though trade value is higher, and the seller emphasizes interest in similarly performance-oriented vehicles. For buyers seeking a more complete package, there's an option to include a power glide transmission and a 355 small-block Chevrolet engine, for an additional cost to be discussed directly. This adds further appeal for racers looking to minimize sourcing time and quickly assemble a competitive car. Overall, this 1976 Chevrolet Vega represents a strong opportunity for racers who value lightweight platforms and customization freedom. Whether built for track competition or as a high-performance project, it offers solid value and a proven base for serious performance applications. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Strip. Price, $50,000. Located, Patriot, Ohio. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Strip is a highly specialized performance build with deep roots in serious drag racing history. Originally built in 1997, this Camaro was campaigned as a nitrous car, engineered to handle extreme power levels and professional competition demands. It represents a rare opportunity to acquire a true race-bred platform rather than a street car converted for occasional track use. This Camaro is designed to accommodate massive 36-inch rear tires, highlighting its commitment to straight-line performance. The car currently features a carbon body, significantly reducing weight while maintaining structural integrity. A blower engine has been installed but has never been run, offering the next owner a fresh starting point for final setup and tuning. The vehicle is being sold as a roller and does not include a transmission, electronics, or a running engine configuration, allowing full customization based on specific racing goals. A matching hood scoop is included, maintaining the aggressive and authentic Stroop appearance that sets this Camaro apart from standard builds. Its condition is listed as used and good, reflecting a chassis that has been professionally constructed and preserved rather than abused. Overall, this 1969 Camaro Stroop is best suited for experienced racers or collectors who understand the value of a purpose-built competition car. It offers a strong foundation, proven design, and rare pedigree. 9. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Price, $48,000. Located Miami, Florida, the 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS presented here is a true Prostreet showpiece, combining authentic SS heritage with a no-expense spared performance build. This is a real SS model, not a clone, and it has undergone a complete nut-and-bolt restoration with meticulous attention to detail. The frame was sandblasted and powder-coated, ensuring long-term durability and a clean foundation for its high-performance components. Power comes from a 383-stroker engine equipped with aluminum heads, Edelbrock Performer components, MSD ignition, and a Demon carburetor. A brand new 700R4 automatic transmission with a 3000 stall converter delivers strong acceleration, while retaining street-friendly characteristics. The chassis features mini tubs, ladder bars, coilovers, rack and pinion steering, a roll cage, and four-wheel disc brakes with Willwood rear components. Visually, the car is a standout. The white exterior is enhanced by outrageous custom paint, while the interior is finished in brand new black cowhide leather with a suede headliner. Forgiato custom wheels with an aggressive 11-inch lip complete the stance, and an extra set of racing tires is included. As an added bonus, the sale includes an additional brand new 383-stroker engine, along with receipts and build documentation. This Monte Carlo SS is not a project. It is a high-end, professionally built Prostreet machine designed to turn heads and deliver serious performance. 10. 1962 Ford Galaxie. Price, $22,500. Location, Galion, Ohio. This 1962 Ford Galaxie is a rare example of a factory four-speed performance car with authentic drag racing roots. From day one, this Galaxie was built and used as a race-oriented machine. Yet, it remains fully street legal and enjoyable for real-world driving. Finished in classic white with a red interior, the car presents a clean and timeless appearance that reflects its early 1960s heritage. Originally equipped with a factory 390 cubic inch engine and 4-speed manual transmission, the car now features a period-correct 406 cubic inch engine. This maintains its vintage racing character. The drivetrain delivers strong, reliable power, and the car is known to start easily and drive confidently on the street. This is not a trailer-only vehicle. It is a machine designed to be driven anywhere. The body is rust-free, having spent its life in Arizona. It remains in very good overall condition. Lightweight fiberglass components, including the hood and bumpers, help reduce weight while staying true to traditional race modifications of the era. The interior has been custom finished, balancing comfort with a performance-focused feel. With a clean title, manual transmission, and proven reliability, this 1962 Ford Galaxie offers classic muscle, real racing history, and street usability. It is an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a genuine early drag-style full-size performance car.